Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will look at the polarity of BrF5 molecule. It's a chemical formula of bromine pentafluoride. And to understand its polarity, we will first look at its Lewis structure, followed by the electronegativity values, and then we will draw the conclusion by looking at its molecular geometry. So this is the Lewis structure of BrF5. You can clearly see that central atom bromine has formed 5 sigma bonds with 5 fluorine atoms and also has one lone pair of electron on it. Now the electronegativity values of bromine is 2.96 and that of fluorine is 3.98. And when we calculate the difference, we get the value of 1.02, which is high enough to induce polarity in a bond. So the individual bromine-fluorine bond are polar. But we also know that when there is symmetry in a molecule, then it doesn't matter if the bonds are polar, the net dipole moment will get cancelled. But here in this case, we also have a lone pair of electron on central atom that breaks the symmetry of the molecule, and that is because it exerts repulsive force on bromine-fluorine bonds, and because of that, the geometry of molecule is square pyramidal, which looks like this. So if there was no lone pair, then there would have been a symmetrical nature in this molecule and the net dipole moment would have been 0. But as explained earlier, due to the asymmetry present in this molecule, the electron density is more towards fluorine atom and there are poles formed in this molecule that makes BrF5 a polar molecule. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.